Labidjanaise lotion is a very good lotion that nourishes the skin, that makes the skin very smooth, that glows the skin, that lightens the skin, and it also works on dark spots as well. In this video, I will be sharing with you, or I will be reviewing on Labidjanaise lotion. Labidjanaise lotion is formulated from Abidjan, a very affordable lotion that lightens the skin, that glows the skin, that brightens the skin, and that nourishes the skin, and it makes the skin very soft and smooth. In this video, I'll share with you guys what Labidjanaise lotion is. I'll share with you guys the people who are supposed to use Labidjanaise lotion. I'll share with you guys some few ingredients that is used to formulate Labidjanaise lotion, and I'll also share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin, and also how you are supposed to use it very well to glow your skin, to lighten your skin, to nourish your skin, to brighten your skin, and sometimes to whiten your skin when you use it consistently. And I'll also go ahead and share with you guys the side effects of not using Labidjanaise lotion well. Labidjanaise lotion comes in forms. Okay, we have the shower gel, we have the lotion itself, we have the cream, we have the oil, we have the cleansing body oil as well, and I think we have the cake soap as well. Labidjanaise product itself is very good for whitening or brightening and lightening the skin as well. Labidjanaise lotion is not recommended for a sensitive skin person. Labidjanaise lotion is not recommended for an oily skin person. And take note, it's not also recommended for a dark skin person. It's recommended for people who are already fair and they want to be extra fairer. Someone may say, does it tone the skin? It does not really tone the skin, but then it brings out your natural glow. If you are a caramel skin person and you are thinking of using Labidjanaise lotion, you can add the oil to it, okay, to glow the skin. But make sure that when you are using it, you use it in the night. Don't use it during the daytime and expose the skin under the sun. Now let's look at some few ingredients that are used to formulate this Labidjanaise body lotion or Labidjanaise product in general. They use kojic acid, they use stearic acid, they use vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B3, and a bit of hydroquine inside. Okay, that's why it works very fast. Okay, now the roles it plays on the skin is that it lightens the skin, it nourishes the skin, it makes the skin very smooth, and it makes the skin very soft. It also glows the skin, it also whitens the skin when you use it consistently. Okay, now let me say something small about the shower gel. The shower gel exfoliates the skin. Okay, it also removes dirt on the skin, and it also clears spots on the skin. It makes the skin very smooth. Okay, but then if you want to whiten or lighten the skin, you need to use the shower gel and then the lotion consistently. The cake soap is also good. You can use the cake soap to wash your face. It clears dark armpit, it clears dark inner thigh. It sometimes fades stretch marks. Yes, the cake soap is sometimes fade stretch marks on the skin, and it also glows the skin as well. The good news about the cake soap is that a dark skin person can use it to achieve a caramel skin tone, and a caramel skin tone can also use it to lighten the skin. But then take note, if you are a dark skin person and you want to use Labidjanaise lotion and the cake soap, you should be critical careful when using it, because the lotion contains hydroquine. So when you are using it with a cake soap, make sure you add an oil or a serum to the lotion before using with the cake soap. You can equally use it with a shower gel as well, but use it very well. Use it in such a way that it will glow the skin for you, or it will help you achieve the exact skin tone that you want. And it has its face cream as well, and it comes with the oil as well. But I've noticed that some are formulated with carrots, okay, and some are also formulated with argan oil or argan products. Okay, so this is how the one formulated with the carrot is. and the one that is not formulated with a carrot, it's also like this. But they are all good products. They all play the same role on the skin. The oil helps in fading stretch marks on the skin, but do not use the oil alone during the daytime. If you want to use the oil alone, you use it at night, and make sure you don't use the oil on your face. Okay, the face is sensitive, so be critical careful of what to use on the face. Labidjanaise oil has its side effects if you don't use it very well. If you use it anyhow, you are going to end up having severe dark knuckles. That is the most bad side effect of not using Labidjanaise lotion or Labidjanaise product in general very well. It will give you severe dark knuckles. Sometimes you end up having bad stretch marks on the skin. That is when you don't use it very well, and it leaves white dots on the skin. That is why when you are using it, like using the whole set, you should use it in the night. Okay, be critical careful when you are using a product that contains hydroquine. It's good for lightening the skin, it's good for glowing the skin, it's good for moisturizing the skin, and it's good for whitening the skin when you use it consistently. Labidjanaise lotion is not recommended for everybody. So if you have ever come across Labidjanaise lotion before, you can please leave your review or your testimony under the video, whether the good side or the bad side. And please, kindly do what to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first to receive a notification from me. And please, to my return subscribers, I really appreciate you all and thank you so much. See you in my next video. Mwah. All I want